Hi, my name is Jake Morrill. I'm minister of the Oak Ridge Unitarian Universalist Church in Oak Ridge, Tennessee. In 2017, the Unitarian Universalist Association is blessed with 3 excellent candidates. Any one of them will do a great job if elected. I wanted to tell you why my vote will go for Gene Pupke. I've known Gene for several years now as a ministerial colleague in the southern region and working shoulder to shoulder on the UUA board. I see Gene as somebody who brings expertise, who brings vision, and who brings wisdom to the role. The Unitarian Universalist Association is a large nonprofit with about a $20 million a year budget, dozens and dozens of employees, and relationships with other peer institutions that sprawl out in every direction, and of course with all of the congregations. And it needs somebody at the center who is used to working and familiar with working at that level of organization, that level of complexity. Jean not only brings management experience from her corporate background, but also has not only led but transformed a large congregation within our system. She's worked with seminaries, she's worked with large institutions, and she's worked at the UUA board as the chair of the finance committee. Time and again, it was Jean's management expertise that allowed her to surface and to see choices and possibilities that honestly a lot of us couldn't even fathom. So she brings that kind of expertise necessarily for the scope and complexity of a system as large as a UUA. But she also brings wisdom to the role. As conversations would be going around the UUA board table, sometimes it could get stuck in the technical mode, into answer mode or solution mode, and it was Jean who, after a long pause, would bring us back home with questions of why, questions of impact and outcome, wondering what lives would be touched, what communities would be reached, how would this bring transformation and move our mission closer to the realization of the beloved community. So she brings not only expertise, but also that vision, that eye on the prize that is so necessary in leaders. Last of all, I think that Jean brings wisdom. I remember there was one Saturday where I was set to give a presentation in the afternoon, but in the morning, word came that someone in my community had died. Now, this wasn't a member of the church, but someone with a relationship with the congregation, and I'll tell you, I was torn. I wasn't sure which of my roles to honor, to stay with the board and give a presentation, to go home. Jean came right up to me and she said, "Well, of course you'll go home." She had that moral clarity that comes from years of spiritual practice and that comes from years of serving as a pastor, as an effective pastor. And I will remember that kind of clarity and compassion that she had in my moment of decision. I think that kind of groundedness, that kind of depth is needed in a leader, and we'll see that as Jean brings all of these gifts into the UUA presidency. I'm excited to vote for her in 2017. I hope you'll consider doing the same.